So what's up? You know what it do? I'm back with another video. It's Nikita. It's been a while. I miss y'all, but I'm bringing y'all another sleigh for 40 bucks. You know what it do. Sensational, but a lace shows out every time. It is a member of the Wood Lace collection, honey. Okay? You know I love me some Sensational. You know what I'm saying? Butter Lace Unit 15, okay? And this is what she looks like inside the box. Now, I'm going to just tell you straight up how much I like this unit, okay? That I might have to buy another one. This is what the stock card look like, all right? So we just going to go ahead and get into the deets right now. They say it's virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair, natural density hairline. It says it has a wider than normal parting, but you know it is very much giving middle part because it is a T part, and it does give ear-to-ear lace, but there's not very much for you to pluck. The curls are very, very soft. The length, I want to say probably about 30 inches, but it is in layers, and this is what the lace looks like. So you know it's kind of not giving what I want, but hey, there's not too much you can do about that. It is big head friendly. It does have the adjustable bands, and it comes with 3 combs, one on each side, one in the back. Okay. I like the fact that the cap is really air flowing, I should say, because it is a curly wig. Sometimes it's a little bit hotter when you wear these curly wigs, you know what I'm talking about? So yes, this is what it looks like. This is the different styles like that you can put up and do with it. You can't do too much, but you can do that. That's what the length actually looks like. So it's coming below breast line, so I'm thinking it's giving about 28 to 30 inches. It doesn't particularly say exactly what the inches are. So that's what the baby hair looks like, but I pushed those back. And before I got on camera, I actually washed this unit and left conditioner in it. Makes it for easier styling. So now I just install the unit really simply. Okay, I use the EBIN red adhesive spray, and I just go through and try to get my hairline to look as natural as possible, because you know the density on the hairline is rather thick. It's not one that I like, but again, it's not something that you can really change because they don't give you much space to pluck. Okay, also you will be able to see those tracks, as you can kind of see them now. So like, you don't want to go in there and get to plucking and ruin your unit. Okay, so I'm gonna just go through and try and do this as easy and as clean as possible without having to pluck. This is a very beginner friendly unit, especially if you decide to not want to pluck and not want to do anything like that. This is a great unit for that. The part though, you're just gonna have to work with and put some makeup on it to where it will look how you want it to look. I did not decide to use a cap at all, and that's because I did not want my install to last very long. I wanted it very, very temporary, so I did not use a cap. I just ended up going in with makeup in my parting region. So I used concealer in that region once I got done with my styling of the unit. Okay, so now we're about to get into the styling of the unit. Okay, so what I did in order to style my unit and make it remain curly like this, because I didn't like the cottony looking curls. I wanted those wet looking, wavy looking, you know, giving wet and wavy hair. You know what I mean? So what I did before I got on camera, like I said before, I washed my unit and then I left conditioner in the unit and left it to dry. That way, once I did style my unit, or once I started styling my unit, it would give curly hair. And so in order to keep the curl, okay, what I did is I put activator on my hands and I ran it through those curls when I was going through individually. And the reason I did that is so that the curls would remain glossy, saucy, and popping. You know, that's what we want. We want the wet, you know, natural curly hair look. Okay, so yes, just letting you know, that's how you got to do it in order to get your curls all the way right. Okay, now don't attempt to comb these curls out once you got them all the way how you want them, because then you're gonna have to go back and do this all over again. So you want to make sure that you just fluff it out with your fingers, you know, things like that, when you are done styling the unit and when you're waking up doing the unit again and stuff like that. So now it's self-explanatory. So let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. Let me know if you guys got this unit, things of that nature. I really want you guys to interact with me and let me know how you are liking these videos, if they're helpful to you, what it is that you take from the video, what you get from the video, whatever the case is. So also remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. It's really super important. Also, it shows that, hey, y'all is learning something from the videos, or y'all getting something from the videos, or whatever the case is. I do like hearing from y'all. Again, I do like hearing from y'all. Okay, so go ahead, hit me up in the comments. I will, in the description box, leave everything it is that I use to achieve this style. But this is exactly what I did all around my head in order to get the look that I was going for. So, oh yes, and please don't mind my son in the background. He in there watching his videos. So, but yes. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys again soon. Make sure you continue watching the video to see how it turned out, because she turned out popping. All right.